Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how you can start earning passive income with Bitget Earn Apps. If you've been looking for ways to grow your crypto portfolio without active trading, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in. What is Bitget Earn? Bitget Earn is a crypto saving and investment platform that allows you to earn interest on your digital assets. Whether you're holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins, Bitget provides various options to generate passive income by simply holding your assets in the platform. You can earn crypto interest on your savings just like you would with a traditional bank account, but with potentially much higher returns. Step 1. Download the Bitget app. The first step is to download the Bitget app. You can get it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Deposit your funds. Next, you'll need to deposit your cryptocurrency into the Bitget platform. To do this, go to the Assets section of the app and select Deposit. Here, you can choose the type of cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. After selecting your coin, follow the instructions to transfer your funds securely. Step 3. Explore Bitget Earn options. Now comes the fun part, choosing how to earn. Bitget offers different earning options including flexible savings, fixed savings, and staking. Flexible savings allows you to earn interest while keeping your funds accessible. Fixed savings locks your assets for a specific time to earn a higher return, while staking involves locking your crypto to participate in network activities and earn rewards. Step 4. Choose an earning plan. To choose an earning plan, just go to the Earn section and select the plan that suits you best. You can compare the interest rates, lock-in periods, and coins available. Simply select the amount of crypto you want to allocate and confirm your choice. Step 5. Start earning passive income. Once you've selected your plan, your funds will start earning interest. The best part? You can track your earnings in real time within the app. The longer you keep your funds locked, the more you can potentially earn, and you don't need to actively manage it. Just sit back and watch your assets grow. Tips for maximizing passive income. To maximize your passive income, consider diversifying your investments by choosing a mix of flexible savings, fixed savings, and staking options. Additionally, keep an eye on the rates offered by Bitget and move your funds to the highest earning options. And that's it. Now you know how to start earning passive income with Bitget Earn Apps. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, Bitget offers simple ways to put your digital assets to work and generate income passively. Don't forget